Hi guys, this is Kearns and this is the lesson 10. We're gonna go over some brief presentation of the version Pro of TradingView. It's gonna be a very short lesson, nothing very technical at least, or just a presentation of the tool, because we're not gonna use the free version of me anymore. I did a presentation of the free version just to set it up, but we're gonna go over the professional version. Right. Here. Okay. Get a good reading. I cannot read this thing every time, so go ahead and do it yourself. Quote for this lesson: get the professional version of TradingView. Yeah. Pretty awkward, but I cannot stop saying that. Don't go cheap. It's a business, if someone is paying for something, this person is getting something that you don't have, and because trading is all about edge, you do not want someone else to have an edge over you. Okay, and I don't take the time to congratulate you. This is the lesson 10. You made it 25% of the class, so it's not nothing. Takes me up to 3 years to build the curriculum, and now we are 2019, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna take me another year to cover the entire thing. But all the class is already write down everything, so I know where I'm going. You just have to stick around, video after video, lesson after lesson. But I guarantee you that after the part 2, you'll have a lot of more confidence in the market to make better decisions. Whether it's you can go ahead and take your own risk just to learn through your personal experiences, or it's gonna help you answer a very important question, because if it was an easy profession, everybody would be doing it. And more important than that, more people will be actually successful on this. And remember, it's 90 and something percent people are failing. It's not nothing. So just a couple of hours is not enough to become a good trader. That's the reason why you need to buy books, read them, go through them, do your own experience, and more important, get into a group or a good class in which you can learn something more advanced than what I am giving you. But I am giving you a lot of information as of now. So after 10 lessons, maybe you're gonna need to take a break, take a couple of break off, I don't know, take a breathing, go over the material, and feel happy you made it to 25% of the class. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is just a simple presentation of the this is where we are now. How do you use this thing, this version now? This is a pro version. I don't know where exactly. I can't go ahead and tell you. Maybe I can show you exactly where that thing is, but I don't know where you go to. Okay, home. Okay, so this is a pro version, pretty different. I cannot have I did try to get the details about the differences, but they do not really give me the possibility to go ahead and take a look. But by the way, you can these are my shorts, and you can easily realize that all my shorts, these are your time frame. Like I tell you, as a swing trader, I don't trade anything that is not serious. And look at that, none of my short is under 4 hour. I respect my rules. When I was talking about my market psychology and the fact that freedom is the biggest reason why people fail, it's because freedom and not everybody's fighting for freedom, but the truth is there's a very few people that can handle it, because technically freedom is the capacity to build your own rules, and more important, respect them. And you won't see anything under 4 hours here. For an example, for Bitcoin, I have a specific chart for the class. This is called straight, and here I have 1 day, 1 week. These are specific thing, very important charts. So I'm gonna open the chart for the class. This is the class chart, and then this is the pro version, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So make sure you keep an eye, look at it. We can even literally pause the video and make sure that you guys has the same screen that I have. Play with this. You must have the same screen. Now I'm gonna show you my pairs. Okay, these are my pairs, and forget about anything that is not cryptocurrency for now. But there is some point in the class I'm gonna use example from stocks. Very interesting reason why I'm doing that, and you're gonna like it. I know that. It's not the first time I am teaching this, as a matter of fact. Now, these are the pairs. I think these are the first. You'll find them in the top 10, but you can literally play around with this. I never use this section. There's many other things, but I never use this section. And here, this is, let me turn this on. Yeah, keep doing that. So these are all my alerts, and you realize there's so many alerts that I have, and then you are limited to a very, very few alerts in the free version. And then you probably realize that almost all my alert, not almost, all of them are in the 5 minutes. There's a couple of alerts that I'm gonna have to add here actually. Now there's a reason for that, and this will be revealed in the part 3 of this class. You just have to stick around, video after video, you'll make it. Okay, now that's just a simple version. Make sure that you have all these same tools right there. Just so remember, I use the cross more often. Make sure that you select favorite on this. Make sure, because these are the main one we're gonna use in this class. Here, just quick review. Okay, real quick. Here, call out text. It's 3 ones. Can feel free to stop the video and then check them out. Okay, now that's it, because I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail right now. Once again, congratulations, 25%, and yes, it's a lot of information. All right. Okay guys, so I know that I'm not the only one who's here to give. So if you ever want to do any donation, it's down on the descriptions below. And more important, subscribe, comment, and like video, and then take care of yourself. Bye.